In this video, I'm going to talk about the difference between two hello world example that I showed you in previous video. So if you remember, I used this simple structure like main int argument c char star argument value box bracket return 0. And here to do hello world, I actually did two things. One, I used printf, so hello world, and obviously here printf now is not recognized by Visual Studio or my compiler, so I use it preprocessor, so I have to use include stdio.h. Okay, then now this one is hello world. So this is one way to do, and then if you remember, okay, another way to do is you can do include. Instead of standard IO, I can use IO like input and output stream. Okay, and here instead of printf now, I can use cout. So cout and hello world and semicolon. And here, one thing you have to think about though, whenever you use iostream, you actually have to say using namespace standard. And now cout will be recognized. So this is two ways to do the same thing. Okay. So main difference is actually if you look at the standard io.h, okay, this one actually is the standard C runtime library. So if you think about it, C++ is largely a superset of C. So it includes the C standard library. So standard IO like based code works. So technically, printf is developed in C. Okay? So it's more likely a standard C runtime library. So this is for C, but again, because C++ is kind of a superset of C, so you can still use this standard C runtime library in C++. And so, I mean, but this doesn't mean that you cannot use standard IO, but you can still use it. But if you want to use it like correct way, I mean, it's not really correct way. Okay, let me take it back. I mean, it's not really about correct way, but like instead of this, if you really want to use it like C++ standard C++ library, okay, and what you're supposed to use is include. There actually is stdio. Okay, so this one's like again, this one would be, I'll put comment here. This is standard C++ runtime library. Okay, so you can use cstdio, and then cstdio actually shares the same command, printf hello world. Okay, so here CST standard IO is a standard C++ runtime library, so you can technically use cstdio instead of standard io.h. But again, I mean, it really doesn't matter. Like you can still use standard C runtime library, so it will still work if you just use printf with standard io.h. And iostream is again like slightly different. I kind of mentioned that like cout is paired with cin, so if you want to use like input and output together, and you can use C in, C out with iostream, or you can use a printf and scanf from standard.io.h or C standard.io. So this is not something you must know, but I looked at it. And then I think it probably. It's good to know. It's good to know. Like the reason why. Again, if you learned C before, you probably think, standard.io.h. That's a like standard C runtime library, and why do we use that standard C runtime library in C++? Okay. Again, the reason why is C++ is superset of C, so you can still use it. Okay, but uh, like if you are really strict and picky, if you want to use it right, you can actually use C standard IO instead of standard IO.h. All right, I thought it's something like good to know, so I went over it. Hope it helped, and I'll see you later in the next video.